Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm at Nike Art Gallery. Let's go inside.
So unfortunately guys, we're not allowed to make videos inside. So this was me. I was just trying to get a glimpse of the whole place without focusing on a particular artwork. They actually said we could take pictures in front of an artwork, but not beside, and a lot of rules and regulations, not focusing on a particular artwork. So we had to leave there to another place. So at least let's have fun, because the whole place, like, it's a beautiful place, like very, very beautiful. But guys, I'm coming back here tomorrow. I mean the next day. That's why, and I'm going back with a friend. So this my Smolly. She don't want to come. I don't know, let me video her. She said no. Imagine this girl, she don't want to show on my channel. So guys, we're living here. While we are about leaving, Mommy Zaya came and we had to go back inside for her to at least take a look at how the whole place looks like before we leave. So we're in Shoprite right now. We came to relax, so we couldn't make videos in this one. Abuja sun is something that she just complaining is normal for me, but to her, it's D. I swear. So guys, we came here to make inquiry because we didn't know that there was a place in this mall that they have this kind of games, and though I knew, but I was thinking it was just for kids. So we came to ask questions, and they said not just for kids, they have games for adults too. So we're checking out the different kind of games that we could do, but then we're already tired and hungry, but we just decided to go around to see if we can like fix another day to come and play games and pick particular games we'll do when we come. We've come to the end of this vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends and loved ones. And I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Going to location 2.